Picture this. In the heart of Bengaluru, Ravi, a young entrepreneur, sits cross-legged with a dilemma. One side of him wants to open his own restaurant because of his grandmother's classic recipes, which has been passed down from generations to generations. On the other hand, there is the busy world of AI, which holds a future that not even the city's tech parks fully understands yet. The old age mantra, follow your passion, battles against the cutting edge opportunities of AI. So what a budding entrepreneur is going to do? Hi, my name is Gadhvi and I'm the founder of Passionpreneur movement. I help people like you to build businesses around passion. And today, let us take a deep dive into the soulful lanes of dreams driven by passion and the high-tech highways of goals driven by AI. By the end, maybe you'll discover which path you are destined to tread. Our journey takes a pit stop in Hyderabad, where over cups of piping hot chai, two friends Arjun and Sameer debate the crossroads of passion and technology. Arjun talks about AI, AI-driven businesses as if he were telling magic stories. There are businesses that using learning machines and automation and analytics to shape the future. His words make you think India's booming tech hubs. But Sameer counters with an equally compelling narrative. With nostalgia in his voice, he speaks of ventures that has a heartbeat, businesses carved out of personal passion, craft and mission that resonate with the soul. He brings forth tales of local artisans and craftsmen whose passion-driven ventures have made profound impacts. As the sun goes down and their shadows blend together, their lively conversation becomes a symbol of bigger story. Which step will lead you on your journey between deep passion and cutting-edge technology? As our journey continues, let us start in India, where tech hubs are always busy. Think of the shiny glass buildings in Gurugram or the huge campuses in Pune, where young people with big ideas and dream gather. What is all the fuss about? AI-driven businesses are undeniably appealing. Now, let me tell you a secret about why these companies are seen as the big thing of the future. Benefits of AI-driven business. Number one, scalability. Just as the Indian railways connect distant corners of the country, AI connects businesses to global markets. For example, Oyo Rooms used AI and the technology to expand from a single hotel in Gurgaon to thousands across the globe. Number two, efficiency. AI streamlines operations. Consider HDFC Bank using AI for chatbots to handle customer queries and reducing human intervention and awaiting time. Number three, data-driven decisions. Zara utilized AI to analyze customer preferences and predicts fashion trends, reducing inventory waste and increasing sales. Number four, profit margins. See, Spotify's use of AI-driven recommendations ensures users find songs they love, boosting user engagement and revenue. But remember, as with all things bright and shiny, there's another side to the coin. As we navigate through this journey, it's essential to weigh these advantages against the soulful tug of passion-driven ventures. So, are you ready to deep dive? Cons of AI business. Taking the AI-driven business path is a lot like going on a thriller roller coaster ride. There are thrilling highs and stomach-churning drops. When you think you know the rhythm well, the track changes, right? Giving you new problems to solve. Here are some of the problems with AI-driven businesses. Rapid technological changes. As with rapidly changing mobile phone models, certain AI models demand continuous upgrades. Ethical concerns. The Facebook Cambridge Analytica scandal highlighted data privacy concerns leaked by AI. Risk of impersonality. Amazon faced backlash when the AI recruitment tool showed gender biases, emphasizing the need for a human touch. As we delve deeper into this world, it's essential to keep these challenges in perspective, especially when contrasting it against the warm, confronting glow of passion-driven businesses. Where does the balance lie, right? Let's journey ahead to find out. Benefits of passion-driven business. See, getting involved with businesses that are driven by love is a lot like surrounded by comforting smell of your mom's home-cooked meal on Sunday morning. No matter what, it makes you smile because it's comfortable and warm. In a world where, it's crazy, everybody's crazy about technology and speed, what makes these companies work? Personal happiness. at the heart of it all. Imagine getting up every day to a call instead of an alarm. Making art every day with colors you love, what makes it fun. For example, Sabyasachi Mukherjee, the celebrated Indian designer, turned his love for Indian textiles and designs into a global recognized luxury brand. When you talk with real joy and zeal, you connect deeply with your audience. It's like telling stories around a campfire. People are drawn to the warmth and the honesty. And as a result, a real brand and a group of loyal buyers who believe in your story and journey, will not just buy from you, but the brands like, Amul has devote customers because of their authentic storytelling and deep-rooted brand identity. There's also freedom, which means you can steer your ship in whichever direction you want. Free will means, being able to run your business the way you see fit, following your own rules, even if they are different from anyone else's. And even though market trends come and go, businesses that are driven by love stand tall like classic songs that never go out of style in a world full of short-lived hits. They last a long time, not because passing trends, but because of a strong passion that lasts, like a fire that doesn't go out but keeps the home warm all year. Passion projects like Fab India's promotion of traditional Indian handicrafts remain timeless despite changing market trends. Now, cons of passion-driven businesses, there are also few, right? Getting involved with businesses that are driven by passion is like taking on tradition, but this also brings its own problems. Scaling up can make you less of a unique person you are. Being too involved and dedicated, can sometimes be too much, which can cause mental burnout. For example, intense passion, as seen with many startups like, Vijay Shekhar Sharma's Paytm, can sometimes lead to exhaustions. It's possible that these businesses won't make money right away. They need time, like perfecting a traditional dish. And when market trends change, it can be hard to stay true to the core while changing. Many passion-driven ventures such as Chumbak took time to find their footing and become profitable. Even with these problems, the emotional pleasure is unbeatable. But when we put this next to background of AI-driven accuracy, the question which road leads definitely entrepreneurship in India comes up. Let's find out more. Blending both worlds. There is a golden thread running through the Indian business world, and that is companies that do a great job of combining the old beats of heart with the new ones of AI. This is the magic. This is the real magic in marrying both worlds. Consider Tanish, a jewelry brand that crafts traditional pieces but uses AI and data analytics to forecast which designs will resonate with their audience. Such businesses embody the perfect blend of heart and tech. These brands have found a magic formula by using AI not only as a tool but also as a way to make their goals more powerful. Being on a wire, if you will, is like dancing between the two worlds. But people who are good at this balance act can use the best parts of both worlds while avoiding their worst aspects. Friends, this combination shows how business will grow in India in the future, with heart and technology working together without any problems. Finding your way through an Indian market is a lot like finding your way through the intersection of AI and love. There are a lot of sounds, sights and smells that can be confusing, but if you ask the right questions, you can find your way. First, think about yourself and ask, where is my main area of expertise? Does it lie in the complex formulas that make machines think, or in the stories and crafts that truly touches my heart? Then think about where you want to end up. What are your long-term goals? Do you want to have a lasting effect that moves people's hearts, make as much money as possible, or find the golden middle ground where both can thrive? Making a budget is also very important, which reminds me of our long-lasting practice of carefully managing our homes. Now think about what resources, be it time, money or skill, am I preparing to commit? It's like planting seeds. Care and the work you put in depends on the fruits you want to harvest. Lastly, as you work on your business, picture how it will connect with people. How do I see my brand's relationship with its patrons? How will it be? Will it be like the old-fashioned relationship between a speaker and an enhanced listener, or will it be more fluid and changeable, meeting their needs as they happen? By giving these questions some more serious thoughts, you will find the way, the fog, the confusion, will disappear and find the perfect road for you to find the big business world. In the never-ending story of Indian entrepreneurship, we have been down the busy lanes of idea driven by passion and futuristic lanes of businesses powered by AI. Each road calls to aspiring business owner in a different way with own unique challenges and bright appeal. On one hand, there is the power of AI, which offers precision, scalability, and the hope of technical progress. On the other hand, passion gives you the warmth of complete satisfaction, the real link with an audience, and the pleasure of what you love. Still, the main truth stays the same. Your success will depend on your unique vision and passion and purpose. Forget about the road. Know that the most important part of your trip is up to you. Whether you choose to use AI, stick to your passion, or make an artwork that combines with the two. If this strike resonates with you and you want to bring heart into your business using AI power, I encourage you to read the description below and join an upcoming webinar and start the life-changing process of becoming a passionpreneur, where you can handle a profitable business, you can build a profitable business and grow to the multiple scales. This is Gadhvi. I'm on a mission to transform 1 billion lives, and I hope you are one of them. So without further ado, click the link and join me in this entire exciting journey where we take your life to the next level and help you to create a life of your dreams. I'll see you in the webinar.